How to export in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to export in Figma. All you need to do first is to open an account on Figma. So once you have an account, you log into your Figma account using your PC, and this page will be displayed to you. And Figma is basically about design. If you want to design birthday display picture or a wedding display picture or whatever design you want to do at all, you can do it on Figma. So at the left side rather of my screen, I have the main menu. Yeah, you can see a lot of things here. If you want to go ahead and just do whatever you want to do on it, then close to it we have the move tools icon, and not far from it we have the region tools icon. We also have the shapes icon, we have the creation tools icon, we have the text icon at the top left corner of the screen, and we have the resources icon. Also we have the and icon and the add comment icon. So at the right side, the top right corner of my screen here, you'd see the share icon. Share icon is what you click on whenever you want to send your design to your friends or to your clients. And also we have the missing font icon and prototype view icon. So we have a lot of things. You can just explore the Figma page or the Figma website to see what it is about. So at the right side of my screen, you see the design section. You also see the layer section and the view section. Now to learn how to export in Figma, under the view section, you scroll down, you keep scrolling down, where you see stroke. You can see stroke here. After stroke you see effect. After effect you see export. So you click on export. Once you click on export, a further drop down will be displayed on your screen telling you that what you really want to export. So you click on export triangle 1 because it's just a triangle that I've created on Figma. You click on it and it will be exported. So it has been exported, it has been done, and you can just go to the downloads. Once you click on the download at the upper part of your screen, you see the download icon just after the search box. So you click on download and you see here that my rectangle has been exported. So you can click on it to have a better view of the exported triangle. That's the exported design. So it's that simple. Okay, you can try it out. So this is simply how to export in Figma. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.